You can now create consistent characters
with Veo 3.1 on HeyGen.
But that's not all. There's now speaker consistency, extended scene duration, and you could create multi-speaker avatar videos. Here's how. First, I'm going to show you guys how to create extended scenes with consistent characters and consistent voices on HeyGen. To get started, we're going to select Veo 3.1 avatar video. When it comes to what avatar you'd like featured in your video, you can choose from any of your own avatars, or you could even choose from any of our public avatars on HeyGen. We have so many different options to choose from. As you can see, we have professional avatars, more lifestyle options, as well as even UGC. For this video, I'm going to go ahead and choose a UGC avatar. I'm going to use Izzy right here. Once you select your avatar, you can actually select between their different looks. As you can see, Izzy kind of really only has 2 looks going on, but if this was your own avatar and you had different outfits or you're in a different location, you could select from this variety of options. So I'm going to go ahead and select this, and now I'm going to choose Add Prompt. Right here under scene number 1 is where we're going to put our very first prompt for our first scene. So I want her standing under the Eiffel Tower, talking to the camera, saying, "Don't just make a scene." Now, in order to add our second scene, we're just going to select this Add Scene button down here. Now, if, for example, this was an accident, you didn't want to add another scene, you could just hit this trash can. That's not the case, so I want to have a second scene here. So now, for the second part, I want her to say, "Free your story," and I want her to turn around, walk away from the Eiffel Tower, and I want the Eiffel Tower to light up and fireworks to go in the sky. When it comes to prompting, I have found that shorter prompts work the best. So really just keep it simple and straight to the point like I did here, and then just include in quotes whatever you want your character to be saying. Now, some more important options is down here is where we can select our video orientation. You have the option of portrait or landscape. I will note for our UGC avatars, portrait is just so much better, but you can alternate between the two. Now over here it says generate voice to match video. This is really great if you're using your own digital twin because it will ensure that it's your actual voice in all of the videos. For this video, I'm just going to leave this off since we're using her pre-selected voice. But if I didn't want to use her voice, I could go ahead and click right here. And this would take me to the HeyGen library where I could select from my voices or from HeyGen's option of public voices. But I'm pretty happy with Izzy's current voice. So I'm just going to keep her voice as is and go ahead and select generate video. And here's the video we got.
Veo 3.1 is now on HeyGen, meaning no more creating just scenes. Now you can free your story.
One of our biggest requests from customers at HeyGen is being able to create videos with 2 avatars talking in one scene. And now it's finally possible with Veo 3.1. In order to get started on HeyGen, we're going to select Veo 3.1 avatar video. Now, once again, you have the option to choose between your own avatars or any of the public avatars. I'm going to go ahead and select my own avatar, and we're going to go with this look. And we're going to hit add prompt just like we did last time. Now, like I mentioned, be sure to change your video orientation to whatever it is you'd like because it does auto-select portrait. So I'm going to go ahead and change this to landscape. Now, all you have to do is prompt another character in your scene. So as you can see, I specifically said that I turned to a man beside me and I'm talking to him. We're having a podcast situation talking about financial advice. So make sure that your voice is generated to match the video. So it will be my voice talking in the podcast. And now all I have to do is hit generate. And here's our result.
What do people really need to be doing to build wealth?
First, open a high yield savings account.
Yeah.
Seriously, it's step 1.
Beyond creating multi-avatar videos and extended videos in HeyGen, you could also use Veo 3.1 to create videos from a start and end frame. In order to do this, we're going to go over to Generate AI Videos. And here's where we're going to upload our reference images. So these are going to be 2 images. One is going to be your starting frame, which is exactly how the video will begin. And the last one's your ending frame, which is how the video is going to end. So let's upload those right here. This video, I have my start scene as me at a restaurant eating a salad and my end scene at me at the gym with a yoga mat with a text guide to healthy under. Essentially, the premise of this video is it's going to be a little ad saying, want to start being healthy, like click the link in my bio to download my guide to healthy. So now we're going to select our orientation. We're going to go ahead and put this in portrait since that is what my start and end frame is already in. And then background audio, this is just whatever sound is in the background. For example, if I'm at the restaurant eating movie, there's like a little bit of people talking in the background or like the atmosphere of a city. If you don't want that, you could turn it off, but it makes it a little more realistic, so we're going to leave it on. Then right here is where I'm going to put my prompt. So I'm just going to paste, and as you can see, it starts with me outside at the restaurant eating my salad, and then once I say about half my sentence of from meal prepping to, the camera is going to cut over to the next scene, which is me in the Pilates studio, and then this is going to be my end scene. So now we're just going to go ahead and hit generate. And here's our result.
From meal prepping to workouts. Check the link in bio for your full guide to healthy.
When you use Veo 3.1 to create on HeyGen, your characters are no longer a one-time use situation, making it easier than ever to create amazing dynamic videos with whatever characters or avatars you would like. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, be sure to sign up for HeyGen at the link down below in the description. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys next time.